And Janette Ewen. Hello.
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 I was like, I don't get out much. I'm very excited to be here.
Well, we're excited to have you, Janette, because Father's Day is a couple weeks away, 3 weeks away, not that I'm counting.
It's 3 weeks away, and why I asked for this segment early is because one of the things, I interviewed 50 dads about what they want, and a lot of dads feel that Father's Day gets left to the last minute, so I thought I'm going to come in early.
I'm assuming they said that in confidence and not in front of everybody. They didn't leave their names behind, I bet, in that one.
I do this survey every year, and I feel like a therapist because they tell me all the stuff. I have a good one at the end of the segment.
So let's get through the stuff. Okay, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go first?
Let's go big.
Okay.
And just probably the gift that Dad will buy for himself, which is the new Audi. So Audi is continuing.
Hey kids, I want an Audi this year.
Its focus on sustainable mobility from production to product, and the new Audi Q6 e-tron marks the next chapter in premium electric mobility. Of course, it's fully electric with a customer-centric design and cutting-edge digital technology and superior charging performance. Of course, Audi is the leading purveyor of luxury design automotive, especially in the electric area, and what I like, it's such a beautiful car. I rally race, so that's where I really learned to love Audi and the performance. So when I say I love this automobile, I really love it.
That's actually Janette driving in that car right there.
Now, if you want to go a little more budget friendly, but still Audi, they of course partner with some great brands. So this is the North Face knapsack, and I love this one because it stands on its own for easy packing. It's got 360 reflective. They also did a blanket with slow tide, which meets a lot of eco standards, which is always really nice that Audi continues that kind of view into their products as well. And I brought an espresso set, which I thought was nice too. All
right, let's get moving. We want to get through it all. What do you got next?
Back to Earth Skin. I'm a huge fan of this. You know this, Canadian made.
Dads, do we care about skin?
They do. A lot of them were about healthcare and skin. So this is nice because the scent's not going to be anything overly feminine. And I brought the Glow Facial Mist, the Glow Moisturizer, and the Glow Serum. Great price. Go to backtoearthskin.com. Everything is eco, sustainable, vegan. Speaking of all of that healthy goodness, let's move over to Cedars. So Cedars is a premium international award-winning non-alcohol spirit. And I love this. It's 0 calories, 0 alcohol, 0 sugar, and gluten-free. Tastes amazing. I brought the crisp. It's got cucumber,
you said all of that, and then you said it tastes amazing?
It tastes amazing. This is my new beverage of choice, and you can pick it up at the LCBO.
Really? Okay.
So that's kind of a refreshing option.
Okay.
Okay, from Sapporo, which is Canadian made since 1980. I'm going to put this on my arm, but this is a calf sock. So Sapporo makes compression socks, really stylish ones. It's all in the weave and the fabric. The quality of this, you see, you can feel this, is amazing. So it's going to, if Dad is weightlifting or running, put on the calf socks or the Sapporo socks, and it's going to improve your performance, your endurance, and your recovery
you got
afterwards.
Your little ankle sock down here, and then you put that on.
Exactly, and they have full socks as well. And I like that the patterns are cool. And they partner with the medical industry, so they really know what they're doing.
Can you get that off?
I got it off.
Okay, what's this? Come on, let's get to this one.
Okay, I love Rona. Rona is like my favorite place to go, and the people in charge of their departments are genius. So grilling is hugely popular. It's blew up even more last year, so they brought in the best grills. And this one is so thoughtful. This is the Ninja Woodfire. This is electric, so if you are on a balcony, it's apartment friendly.
Right.
I just brought up the cord there, and it's a smoker, a grill, and an air fryer.
Ooh.
Now you put the wood pellets in, so it's gonna give you great flavor as well. I absolutely love this. Even the unboxing of this, felt like I was unboxing an Apple computer. Easy assembly. The reviews online from dads about this are phenomenal. Cool. And Rona really has all of your barbecue essentials, as I mentioned. And they also have weekend workshop ideas because dads were looking for weekend workshops and all of your tool needs as well. You can go to rona.ca for that.
Okay, lastly, we got no time, but what do you got for these surveys?
Okay, the saddest survey I saw was I asked what you received a bad gift. Some people got plungers, some dads got plungers. The saddest dad told me his son made him a report card with all the things that he had to work on, and the dad went to the bathroom and cried. So I just want to remind everyone what was coming across in the survey was dads have feelings, they want to be thought of, and no report cards.
Okay.
It's not a day for criticism.
No. Day for, what am I doing? I think I'm going to the ball game with the kids.
See, that's a good one.
Experiences, that's another one too.
Experiences were number one. Oh, there's some of our great Rona grills.
Okay. Thanks, Jet.
Thank you.